I'm going to walk around different sides of the house. We have hurricane impact windows, so we're able to watch this whole thing unfold. So I think our basketball hoop will give you kind of an indication as to how high the water is. Now our neighbor next door has a wall which is completely underwater. They have never experienced anything like this or seeing it firsthand like this. I'm going to go to the other side. And by the way, we are over the bridge in Grand Bahama in an area called Pine Bay. And just look at this. The ocean is literally here. It's all around us. Unfortunately for us, we built our house up 15 feet on stilts. Of course, everything we have downstairs is trashed. And so far, the only flaw we're seeing is that the windows were not sealed. So water is seeping through as the wind blows it through the wall down by the window. But it feels like we're in a houseboat. I mean, look at this. Now I'm going to go to well, we have canals all around us. Our house is on a cul-de-sac, so we're on a point. But the side that faces where we would directly go to the ocean, I'm going to walk over to there so you can see what it looks like out there. Again, this is facing off to the side view, and Sandra Gutierrez, if you're watching this, you can see your house in the far distance, mostly just about underwater. And now look at the back here. This is just, and the water's at the first landing of the stairs in the back here. You can see that it's washing over the slaked tiles, and the house in the distance, which is about halfway underwater. Now I'm going to walk to the other side of the house where our other neighbors are. I don't know how they're faring in there. I believe that they stayed and tried to reach them.
I don't know where this water's coming from.
And as you look over here, you can see that beautiful house our neighbors built. It's goodness, it's mostly underwater. This is going to be something else when it all has subsided, but it feels endless. And I'm going to head out through our bedroom window here. And this is the view outside of our bedroom window. Debris everywhere. And on the canal side, the raging ocean. And from when I shot earlier, it looks like the water has gotten a bit higher.